Welcome to the May video release from Infinity Workforce. This month we're launching 5 new training videos designed for trucking and school bus professionals, focusing on tire tread and your safety. Here's what's rolling out. For trucking fleets, we're introducing CSA Minutes Tire Tread. This short training highlights the critical role of tire tread depth, ensuring road safety, especially in adverse weather like rain, sleet, or snow. It also covers relevant CSA violations to help drivers stay compliant and avoid penalties. Next, the Trucking Fundamentals of Tire Wear series in 2 parts. This video explores the factors behind tire wear, rubber properties, tire design, mechanical influences, and vehicle load. Part 2 examines specific wear patterns like camber, scallop, and feather, and offers practical maintenance tips to extend tire life. For school bus operators, we're releasing School's Fundamentals of Tire Wear, also in 2 parts. This 2-part video training detailing how rubber, design, and load impact tire durability. These videos are now available on the Infinity Workforce platform, tailored to enhance driver knowledge and vehicle safety. Stay informed, stay safe, and keep those tires rolling.